The educational needs of tribal children are primarily addressed through residential schools called ashram schools. These provide boarding and lodging facilities to children in tribal areas until they complete their secondary education. Out of the concern for the students of the rural areas of Meghalaya, the management of the Eklavya Model Residential Schools, which has been established under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, has proposed the setting up of this school in the village of Karang in Maukandro in East Khasi Hills. A lot of opposition for the setting up of this school had come from a few residents of Karang. They had also opposed the decision of the Sardar with regards to permission for the school to be set up in the area. Following this, the Sengsamla and Senkanthe Karang village had submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner's office to show their support to the construction of the school for the benefit of the children of the Karang and its surrounding areas.
Ni nagaliang kisnjuk temthei sinong karang niwan banbu ya kicing tho aga disi ban kersian ya karai jong kersian borba ya karai jongka sinong bante ya kate ke school IMRS has karang.
Mentah kesini wan banbu ka cing tho sha disi aku bayade buat ka cing ja ka sinong karang bede buat ka school IMRS wan banbu cing tho kesti ba ni kershan borba ya ka rai jo ka dorbar yo ya ka bangin yo ikut ke school ha ka sinong jongi kumba ka dorbar ka la rai aki por bala dep